Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clean a Nissan Rogue throttle body. First, ensure your engine is cool to the touch. You'll need a few basic tools, including a screwdriver, a socket set, and a clean cloth. Most importantly, get a can of dedicated throttle body cleaner. Remember, carburetor cleaner is not suitable for this task. Always disconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal before beginning any work. Now, let's get to the throttle body itself. It's usually found between the air intake and the engine manifold. You'll need to locate the air intake hose and loosen its clamps. Gently remove the hose, being careful not to damage it. Next, disconnect any electrical connectors and small vacuum lines that are attached to the throttle body. Take your time and remember where everything goes.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful guides. On another note, bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to enjoy music and control your smart home. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With the throttle body exposed, it's time to clean. Do not spray the cleaner directly into the throttle body. Instead, spray a generous amount onto a clean, lint-free cloth. Carefully wipe down the inside of the throttle body, focusing on the butterfly valve and its edges. For any stubborn carbon buildup, you can use a soft brush, but be gentle to avoid scratching surfaces. Once the throttle body is clean, it's time to put everything back together. Carefully reattach all the electrical connectors and vacuum lines you removed. Make sure they click into place securely. Then, reinstall the air intake hose, ensuring all clamps are tightened properly. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and let it idle for a few minutes to allow the system to adapt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.